So, you want to sell or withdraw your Coinbase crypto that you have in your account. Today we'll be showing you step by step how you can withdraw those funds from your Coinbase account to your bank account or sell your cryptocurrency. So hi guys, so here we are now on the Coinbase website. To begin, of course, we just need to sign in. So click sign in the top right corner and it'll ask you to sign in with your account. Now of course just type this in here and then click continue. Now we just need to verify this on our email just to confirm that the device is connected to ours. Now by clicking the email that you received on the same device that you're trying to log into, for example on the computer, it will say that you are confirmed. And here we are now onto the home page of Coinbase, and we are ready now to send cash out or withdraw our crypto and money into our bank account. Now over here you have a note of what your balance is. You can click over here to the left hand side to actually see what your assets are. Over here it says specifically what assets you have and how it compares to the euro, British pound in my case, or Ethereum. So I have exactly £11 Great British Pound and 67 pence worth of Solana. Solana price is £28 and 8 pence. I've got 0.4155303. Take this the Solana that you have, or any other crypto for that matter, back into your cash, back into your bank account. It's quite straightforward. Over to the right hand side we'll see here that we can send and receive or buy and sell. On this tab here we can buy, sell or convert. So we can buy, for example here, whatever Bitcoin we wish, or of course we can sell what we have. Now it is automatically on Bitcoin, so for me if I click Solana I can sell Solana, for example. So if I do £5 worth, I can preview the sale and show you how that will be. What this will do, I'll sell £5 worth of Solana, exactly this amount of Solana, and it will add it to my Great British Pound wallet. I can click here to preview the sale, and it will show you exactly what will happen now. There's a Coinbase fee of 99 pence. I'm not going to actually sell this, so I'm going to click back. The other option is to convert. Now you can convert, of course, anything that we want. So Solana, I can change and convert it to Ethereum. So if I wanted to sell Solana, £10 worth of Solana to Ethereum, I can preview it, convert that now, in which I would get this amount of Ethereum here. So again, we don't want to do that. I'm going to click out of this and now click send and receive. Now we can send our Solana to any other account if we want to. So for example, again, if I want to do £10 worth of Solana, which will be this amount here, we can click Solana, or you can of course change to any other currency that you have, and now send it to whatever mobile, email, or wallet address that you have available to. So this could be your own mobile email to another wallet account, or of course to someone else. And you can type a message. You can equally as well receive Solana. So this is your address here. So the address that you have here, for example, would be what goes into this address here. Now, to actually cash out the assets that we have, you can click over here to assets to again see what we have specifically, and over here is your total balance. So as we showed you before, I have this amount of Solana. So we want to essentially convert your Solana to whatever your account is over here. So if, for example, I have an account in British Pound and Euro. You might not have this just now, because to do that you need to first set up your payment method. So to do that you need to click over to the top right corner and click settings. At the top you'll see there's some options to click. You want to click payment methods at the top here. And now on the right hand side there's an option to add a payment method. By clicking this you can connect your PayPal, your bank account, your credit debit card, or Euro bank accounts. It's very much as a case of clicking the account and following the steps that it asks you to complete and connect your account to your Coinbase account as well. Click the option that you have and follow the step-by-step questions and enter the correct details for your account, your bank account, to connect it to Coinbase. Now once you've done that, you can go back to Coinbase. Now if we click back to our assets here on the left hand side, You'll see now again I have a total balance of £11 worth of Solana. Now I can't take Solana out of Coinbase and I put it into my bank account. For me to withdraw the Solana, I need to first convert it into British pound for my bank account. When I click over here, it says I've got none just now, but it says over here on the right hand side that I can cash out, or of course you can add funds to your account over on the left hand side here. But by cashing out, that's where I can take it to my account, my bank account. So clicking back to assets, clicking on the Solana here, just like we showed you before, we want to sell it in the middle and click how much Solana or currency you want to sell. So if I click 10 for example, and if I put in number 2, I can preview the sale. There is a transaction fee of 99 pence, so just be mindful of that. So my total payout for £2 is actually only £1.01. So keep that in mind when you're selling your Solana. You will have a transaction fee. So I'll sell that just now, and it will say that our order has been submitted. This might take a while for it to go through, so just click done just now and wait a couple of minutes and you'll find that that is all finished. Now that might take a couple of minutes to go through, or it might be quite quick depending on the time of the day. But if you now go to my assets, and you'll see that there's an option again here for your currency that's connected to your bank account, and now you can click over here and we can now cash out whatever balance that we have. So if I click cash out all, it will actually tell me how much I can cash out, or you can type in exactly how much you want to do. To cash it out into your bank account, just hit continue, and you have to add a bank account here. So you can do whatever bank account you have. My bank account does not support withdrawals, so you have to obviously click when it does. So for example, you can click over here PayPal or whatever other bank account that you have. You just need to make sure that it does support withdrawals. And then it's just a case of clicking through it and accepting the payment. So that is essentially step by step how you can withdraw from Coinbase, or equally sell or trade and convert your currency. I hope you found that useful, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you comment, like and subscribe. Peace.